Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Sierra Chart Spreadsheet Studies. To begin, open the Sierra Chart desktop application and make sure the chart you want to work with is visible and active. Spreadsheet Studies attach to a specific chart, so it helps to have the correct symbol and time frame already open. Take a moment to confirm data is loading and the chart is updating normally, since the spreadsheet will reflect exactly what the chart is processing. Next, right-click anywhere on the chart area to open the context menu. From that menu, click Studies. This opens the Studies window, which is the control center for adding, removing, and configuring all studies on your chart. On the left, you'll see a list of available studies. On the right, you'll see Studies to Graph, which shows what's already applied to the chart. We'll add the spreadsheet study from the left into that active list. In the Available Studies list, scroll up or down to browse for the spreadsheet study. Depending on your installation, you may see variations with slightly different names, such as versions intended for general analysis or for trading logic. Pick the one that fits your use case. Scrolling slowly helps, as this list can be long and includes many indicators and tools. When you highlight a study, the description area provides a quick reminder of what it does. Double-click the spreadsheet study to apply it to the chart. You should now see it appear under Studies to Graph on the right. At this point, the study is attached with default settings, and a corresponding spreadsheet sheet will be prepared to capture chart data and study outputs. Defaults are great for a quick start, but most workflows benefit from a few targeted adjustments, so the sheet reflects only the columns and rows you actually need. Click Settings to adjust the study as needed. Here, you can choose or confirm the spreadsheet sheet name, manage how many rows and columns are active, decide which data series to output, and tune calculation behavior. A practical tip is to keep the row count aligned with your analysis horizon. Using only as many rows as you need helps performance. Also, naming the sheet clearly makes it easier to reference later when you build formulas or review results. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, click Apply All. This commits your changes, updates the chart, and synchronizes the spreadsheet with the new settings. You should now have a functioning spreadsheet study tied to your chart, ready for analysis. If you need to refine anything, simply return to the Studies window and repeat these adjustments until the output looks the way you expect. That's it. You're set up to use Sierra Chart Spreadsheet Studies effectively.